Okay, so here we are with our last slide. Continuing on with my reflection of how I promoted the academic learning that goes on in the building, making sure that those funds are being used to benefit the most students. Now, I realize that the PTA funds were what was suggested and requested, and the principal was correct in saying that those funds should go to benefit the most students. But we want to benefit the most students. We want to benefit who those funds were raised for as well. And these gate funds, at least in this case, if we were to take them and send them off towards a single student going to this cheerleader, for example, that would not be benefiting who raised them. That is not necessarily what those funds would be for. If it were to, for the whole team to go, fantastic. But not just that one individual student. And then our last part, making sure that the funds benefit student growth and kind of go towards our building goals. Our building goals, at least what I envision to be my building goals, would be something along the lines of we're all going to grow, we're all going to get better, and it's going to be all we are going to do things, we are going to do this, we are going to do that. It's not going to be you individual, great for you, you're going to go out and do your own thing. So that's just part of myself being my own background and being in athletics and things like that. I am very much a we before me. So that is something that I am definitely going to hope to instill within my students and within my building when I do take over my own building. So that's been my case study. Thank you guys for watching the entirety of it, and I tried to make it all in one. I almost made it, just had this last little part here. I get to be a little bit long-winded, so I do apologize for that. But again, thanks for watching.